looking to solve business problems using AI tools, I would always recommend, and this is another theme that came up from yesterday, we start with a business use case, start with the goal of what you're trying to do, rather than focusing on the sort of the particular technology you're using to fix it. But having decided the use case, then choose the best tool for the job. Understand, and this is a role for I think everyone in this room, it's not the role of the technologists who build this stuff, it's the role of you guys to decide what's the most appropriate technology, what the machine can do well, what the humans can do well, and then identify a solution which combines the human and machine tools in an effective way. And I think it's always good to have some sort of human, you notice that we're using an entirely automated process, but then adding a human layer for individual solutions, which which makes the humans comfortable. They can play a part and they can be involved in the process. And finally, equally importantly, advise on how to use and evaluate. The standard evaluation measures for this kind of thing may not be what you're familiar with, as in using sort of checking against a human score. And I'll finish with a quote from the STM Association, which is the leading trade association for scientific technical publishers, which I think states what I've been saying in a very concise way. There are cases where the use of a taxonomy or ontology is still appropriate. This should no longer be the assumed starting point. In other words, my recommendation is you're the people to identify what the starting point should be. And I think that's where the exciting challenge in this area is. There's more than one way to skin a cat, and it's for you to decide which is the best way to solve it.